Guys, today we'll talk about how can you delete account on your BodyFast app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to next step. Here it's going to show for you like this. So then you just go down here, you keep going down, so you go down here, then you click here on delete account. When you just click here on delete account, so then you just click here on delete account, then automatically here it's going to delete video on your BodyFast app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.